Waxing is one of the most popular and effective methods for hair removal, offering smooth skin and long lasting results. But to achieve the best outcomes, it's essential to understand the different types of wax and their specific qualities. Broadly, waxes fall into two main categories: soft wax and hard wax. Soft wax is usually spread thinly on the skin and then removed with cloth or paper strips, making it ideal for larger areas like the legs, arms, and back because it grabs fine hair efficiently and covers more surface in one. However, it can sometimes irritate sensitive skin and should only be applied once to the same area to avoid redness or discomfort. In contrast, hard wax is applied in a thicker layer directly to the skin, allowed to cool and harden, and then peeled off without strips. It adheres only to the hair, not the skin, making it much gentle and suited for delicate areas such as face, underarms, and bikini line. Hard wax can ever be applied to the same spot if necessary, minimizing irritation and making hair removal less painful. For those who value speed and convenience, pre-made wax strips are another popular option. These strips come coated with soft wax and ready to use, making them perfect for quick touch-ups, travel, or small areas. While handy, they tend to be less effective on short or coarse hair and are not always suitable for thorough waxing of large areas. Beyond these basic types, adventures in skincare have led to specialty waxes. Chocolate wax is enriched with cocoa, almond oil, glycerin, and vitamins, providing antioxidant properties and deep hydration to the skin while minimizing discomfort. These makes it suitable for both large and sensitive areas. It can be more expensive due to its luxurious formation. Another gentle option is fruit wax infused with natural extracts from fruits like berries, papaya, or citrus, which deliver vitamins and antioxidants. This wax not only removes hair but also nourishes the skin, exfoliates gently, and is essentially flavored by individuals with sensitive skin who want minimal risk of irritation or allergic reactions. If natural hypoallergenic solutions are preferred, sugar wax, a mixture of sugar, lemon, and water,